Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Nadine West, which is a monthly clothing subscription that's curated for you. That second bundle did rip open. Looks like I have 2 tops, 2 bottoms, a dress, and a necklace. So let's just dive in. There's a little piece of paper here. Yep, for advertising for like Christmas, stocking stuffers, all that. Let's take a look. Is this the dress, maybe? Oh, that's cute. That is by Shiela Rose. Has a little teardrop in the front. It cinches at the waist. That's adorable. There are pockets? No pockets. Sometimes the dresses, a lot of the times actually, there are pockets, but not that time. And I will take pictures of them and lay them out for you, tell you how much they cost. If there's anything you don't want, you just send it back. I have this cute little sweater. It's thick. That one's also from Shiela Rose. That's cute. Buttons down. Looks nice and comfy. Super soft as well. And the last one in that bundle, oh, those are fun. They're like black exercise pants, lounge pants, also from Shiela Rose. There are pockets in the side, but it's cut out going down it. That's really fun. So it's kind of like thigh level, and then again below your knee. I bet those are very cute. There should be another bottom and a top in here. So some jeggings. Get a lot of these. Sometimes various colors. Sometimes they're distressed. Sometimes they are not. These are distressed in the front. They do have pockets. They're not fake pockets. So those are cute. And this is wild. Look at this print. That is not something I'd wear, but I'd try it on just to see. Oh, and then it flares here. Yeah, not too much of a fan of that. I'm very plain and basic. Those are also by Shiela Rose. So everything I got looks like it's from Shiela Rose. Let me see if the jeans are. These Shiela Rose? No, Giovanna. So all the tops were. And a necklace, which maybe isn't as tangled as I originally thought. I was like, ooh, that's going to be rough. So this, again, Shiela Rose. It is adjustable here. It kind of stops here with a little clear diamond-like stone. Then it has some little tassels with some more of those little beads. That's cute. Super long, but definitely unique. So I will go ahead and insert the pictures and put all the prices at the end. And if you are interested in joining for a subscription, I have all the information in the description box below, as well as a bunch of playlists. So if you want to see what I got last month or the previous months. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.